If you've ever dreamed of hosting the ultimate fondue night, you're in the right place. Today we're ranking the best electric fondue sets from the weakest to the absolute best, so stick around to see which one takes the crown. Starting at the bottom of our list, the Kusini fondue set is definitely more of a specialist than a generalist. It's small, lightweight, and designed to melt chocolate or cheese for a very small group. Think date night or a cozy evening snack for 1 or 2 people. The biggest selling point here is its compact size and gentle heating. It won't burn your chocolate, and the detachable serving tray makes cleanup a breeze. It's also easy to store, so if counter space is tight, this one's appealing. But here's the trade-off: capacity. At just 10 ounces, you're not feeding a crowd. Compared to the others on this list, it's really more of a personal fondue station than a party centerpiece. If you want a tiny, safe, and easy-to-use set for melting small amounts without fuss, this might fit your lifestyle perfectly. But if you're hosting friends, you'll want to look further up the list. And by the way, links to all the products we're reviewing today at the best prices are in the description under the video. Next up, we have the Nostalgia Fondue Pot, a step up in size and power. This one can hold 1.5 quarts, which is much more suited for a small group of friends or family. The stainless steel design gives it a nice classic look, and it's simple to use. It heats quickly, the temperature dial is user-friendly, and the cool touch handles make it safe to move around. Dishwasher-safe parts mean you won't dread cleaning up after a long evening. However, the base isn't dishwasher safe, and the smaller capacity still limits you for bigger gatherings. Compared to the top contenders, it's functional but not as versatile or high capacity. This one's great if you want something compact but still able to serve a few guests without constant refills. And before we move on, if you're enjoying this ranking so far, hit that like button and subscribe for more product deep dives. In the middle of our ranking is the Artestia Fondue Pot. This one immediately stands out with its white ceramic pot and rose gold base. It's as much a decor piece as it is a cooking tool. Performance-wise, it heats up quickly, maintains temperature well, and the ceramic interior helps prevent sticking. Plus, the pot is dishwasher safe, making cleanup straightforward. The downside? Some users have reported peeling paint on the heating element surface over time, and warranty details aren't as clear as some competitors. If style is high on your list and you're after a decent balance between size and performance, the Artestia is worth considering. Near the top, we have the Dash Deluxe Fondue Maker. This one is a party powerhouse. A 3-quart capacity, strong heating, and a full accessory kit make it a fantastic choice for larger gatherings. It offers adjustable temperature control, so you can easily switch between cheese, chocolate, or oil fondue. The removable non-stick pot means easy serving and cleaning, and you even get extra touches like a serving ring and fondue cups. The only drawbacks are that the non-stick surface can scratch if you're not careful, and the cord might be short for certain table setups. If you regularly entertain, the Dash offers versatility, capacity, and presentation value all in one package. And finally, taking the top spot is the Cuisinart Fondue Pot. This is the all-rounder that checks every box: size, performance, and reliability. It has precise temperature control with multiple settings, a large 3-quart capacity, and a non-stick pot that's dishwasher safe. Cuisinart's 3-year warranty gives you peace of mind, and it's consistently rated as one of the best by reviewers and publications. It's not the flashiest design, and like the Dash, the non-stick surface can scratch over time. But in terms of dependable, repeatable fondue success, this one's hard to beat. If you want one fondue set that can do it all and do it for years, this is the one to pick. Remember, you can find all the top products featured today in the links down in the description. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more hands-on product rankings and reviews.